Don't mind.
Mugraeng Chef, all about Korean food.
I could give a fuck in my whole life. I tried to fit in your reality, dreaming of leaving, boarding on a spaceship, flying to the sun. Letting go is a project. You treated love like an object. Just threw it to the breeze, so I'm doing what I please. You familiar with the concept? Tell me what you know about that, cause you know everything about that. And I ain't tryna run from the past, but I gotta find my way now. I don't mind, you'll find that I could give a fuck, cause my whole life I cried. Is anybody out there? Take it from the top, tell me where you wanna go. Though I don't really wanna know, but I'ma meet you there. I wanna give you what you need, but some things don't come cheap. And I ain't playing games no more, no more, no more, no more. I ain't got time for the nonsense, we are just not the same. Sooner we accept that, learn to respect that, sooner we can break this chain. I know you're trying to help me grow, but you gotta learn to let go. I'm living a life that's my own, that's why I'm saying